When people throw the science situation at you, like, I mean, Christianity and science, surely they're not compatible. And how do you delve into that?
My first question is, I've been reading the Bible a long time and I've never discovered any biology, chemistry, physics, or astronomy there. Would you please show me in the Bible where we have science? Because obviously, if you're going to tell me that science contradicts the Bible, there's some science in there to contradict. No. The statement, science contradicts the Bible, is totally incorrect. Why? Because there is no science in the Bible. And wait a second, what do we mean by science? Science is a description of process, how the organism functions, how it grows, how it replicates. That's science, a study of process. There is no description of process anywhere in the Bible, not in Genesis 1 or 2 or anywhere else. So that's why the idea that science contradicts the Bible is totally incorrect, because there is no science in the Bible to contradict. How about the statement? Unless you can prove it to me scientifically, it's not true. Really? Please scientifically prove to me, show me, that unless I can scientifically prove it to be true, it's not true. You see, it's not science, that's philosophy. And people get confused between science and philosophy. Science is a study of process, how the organism works. Philosophy is thinking rationally and logically about theoretical issues, about intangible values. See, there's a difference between, can you grab hold of a brain? Well, yeah, if you do a lobotomy, right? I mean, you can take the skull off and you can grab hold of a brain, right? Can you grab hold of a thought? No, thoughts are intangible, non-material. So you've got to begin to think through, what are the examples of good science and what are the examples of good philosophy? I love what Galileo said. Galileo, the great scientist, said, the Bible tells us how to go to heaven, not how the heavens go. Now, Galileo got persecuted by the Catholic Church, and that was tragic. But he was right. He did good science and he had good faith. The Bible tells us how to go to heaven, not how the heavens go.